who can imagine from among us that Emelita and Mario will reach this age, the golden age of being together. Maybe with them it is also unimaginable with the challenges that they face together. Siguro nagtukso din itong dalawa. Maghiwalay na lang kaya tayo kung hindi man lang tayo magkakasundo. We have here a real testimony in front of us, and now we are celebrating this testimony because love is true and God is love, as they are embodying by Emelita and Mario.
Faithfulness, humility, respect. Yan talaga. And everything will come into place.
Emelita, did you come here once again of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Diba? Mas malakas pa sa boses ko ang yes.
Papa, parang totoo na.
Yes.
Very good.
Very good.
Sige pa.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Kaya siguro masasabi natin, kung we will just recognize that the author of love is no other than God, wala tayong ibang pupuntahan kundi siya na may akda ng pagmamahal. Emelita, do you take again Mario here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, Father.
Do you give yourself again to him as his wife?
Yes, Father.
Yung first wedding ko is meaningful kasi first, diba? But this is an upgraded version and a very beautiful, romantic, and memorable. Because of you. Because of my family, my friends, and my suppliers. Ah!
Ang asawa ko ay mas maintindihin na kung ano ang mas maganda sa pamilya, ginagawa niya. Para mag-isa ang pamilya, magkaisa, lahat ginagawa rin niya. At masipag yan.
Sabi nga nila, lahat naman sigurong nabubuhay ay sinusubok, pero lahat naman na nabubuhay at nagdarasal ay pinagagaan ang pinagdadaan ng mga pagsubok. Kaya siguro nandito si Mario at Emelita because they also pray hard and they are graced by God.
Basta love kaming dalawa na hindi kami makalimutan ang aming mga happening sa teenager pa kami hanggang ngayon. Ang bonding namin mag-asawa ay strong and healthy Kasi sa Lord, nandyan ang Lord sa taas namin.
Mario, did you come here once again with your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Of course. Yes, Father.
Determined?
Ngayon at kailanman.
Hi, Ma and Pa! So, happy 50th wedding anniversary. So, it's been such a journey and I'm very happy that we've reached this point. I know that growing up, it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy bringing me up kasi I know na ang layo na ng pinanggalingan natin, di ba? Like, we came from Cebu. Naiyak na ako. So, I am grateful, actually. I am grateful, thankful for calling you my parents.
Hi, Ama and Angkong. Happy 50th wedding anniversary. Cheers to more journeys together. God bless you. We love you so much.
I guess isa sa mga pinaka-favorite na memories ko with Ama and Angkong growing up is yung pagluto nila palagi sa amin ni Erin ng Lucky Me noodles habang kunyari pag magla-lunch kami or magdi-dinner, si Angkong lagi magluluto ng noodles, sa si Ama papakainin kaming dalawa. And I think yun yung pinaka-cherishing memory ko. I love you guys both, Ama and Angkong. Love you guys!
Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo mangangarap ng
Pa, we have reached 50 years amidst the trials and challenges that we have faced. For the next 50 years, we will do it together again. Bravo!
Ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo.
Maraming salamat sa lahat na ginawa niya para sa aming pamilya. I love you very much, Ma, na hindi mo kami binabayaan.
Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
We will always be grateful to the Lord. Everything is given to us because of our faithfulness to Him.
let us all celebrate this a golden gift from God and ask God to create a meaningful journey between Mario and Emilia.